This 2013 Leisure Travel Unity U24TB is a Class B RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used leisure travel and features sleeps 3 and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2013 Leisure Travel Unity U24TB is built on a Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.